What's the meaning of backsheesh? Backsheesh. Backsheesh.
Backsheesh. Backsheesh. Backsheesh is a term used to describe a type of payment or gratuity given in appreciation for services rendered. The word has its origins in Persian and Arabic languages, and is commonly used in South Asian and Middle Eastern cultures. Backsheesh can take many forms, such as cash tips, gifts, or even favors. It is typically given to service workers such as taxi drivers, hotel staff, or street vendors. The practice of giving backsheesh is often seen as a way to build relationships and show respect within a community. However, it can also be viewed as a form of bribery and can have negative consequences if abused.